Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing something very different today that I have never done on my channel before, and that is an unboxing of a planner. So if you know me, then you know that I am very into planners and traveler's notebooks and journals and stuff like that, and this is just something that I've always loved my entire life. And I've been keeping a planner of some sort since I was about 10 years old, and I've also always kept a journal, so I always write in journals as well. So this one is from, as you can see, Moterm. I do have two other planners from Moterm. And I will, if you enjoy this video, I'll think about filming those journals as well, or I'm sorry, planners. And so anyway, so I just got this today in the mail, and I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do a true unboxing with you. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it up. I'm sorry if that's loud. So this is what the box looks like. It's very nice. They come in very hard boxes with gold foiling for the words. And let's go ahead and open it up. And I typically keep the boxes because I put my planner supplies in them. They come with a dust bag as well. The dust bag is very nice. And as you can probably already see what color I got the Dusty Rose. So I'm going to go ahead and just move this box out of the way. So this is the flyleaf right here. And this is the 2.0 version. So this is their newest version. So it does have just the one pocket. It doesn't have any credit card slots. I kind of like the older version better because I liked having the credit card slots, but they took that away, and now it's almost impossible to get those now because they've completely sold out. So this is what it looks like. It is a pebbled leather. I don't know if they still call it a lychee leather, but yeah, and you can see that it's reinforced stitching right here, which I like that. It does have an extra pen loop. So this is the Luxe version. So the Luxe version comes with a flyleaf that has a pen loop on it. And then here is the pocket, and the pocket does go all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, oh, I love this color so much. So there's the flyleaf, and let's go ahead and get right into the planner. I'm so excited. I've wanted this size for a while. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty, and it feels so nice. They have veg tanned leather planners as well, and I have thought about getting one of the veg tanned, but I love their pebbled leather. So I don't know, maybe in the future I will. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. It does come with some inserts, which I appreciate that they do include some inserts with it. So I will probably use those. And since this is the Luxe, it does have 30mm rings, so they're very big rings. I love how large the rings are. And let's see if they're all closed. Yes, none of them have gaps in them, so they're all nice and closed. Sometimes I leave this in here. I know it's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it does protect the leather right here from getting marks in it from the rings. So sometimes I leave that in, and by the time you put all of your inserts in and you chunk it up, this doesn't really show. So I like that it protects the leather right here because I don't want it getting messed up. So as you can see, it does have 3 credit card slots right here and a slip pocket here. And then the new 2.0 version has this little flap of leather that covers the zipper pull so that you protect your inserts, or if you have a dashboard, it doesn't get scratched or messed up. And there is a pocket here. Oh, the inside of these are black. So my other two, the interior is a brown color. So yes, and the zipper is pretty smooth. It sounded pretty smooth when I zipped it. I'm having trouble. Oh yeah, it's a very smooth zipper. It has a secretarial pocket here. The other thing I've noticed that they've changed is on the other two planners that I have, The material kind of sounds a little crunchy, and I don't know if it's just a stiffer material, and this does not. It's much softer and more pliable. And there's a pocket over here and 3 more credit card slots here. 1, 2, 3. And it has the little Moterm tag here. And there's another pen loop here. This pen loop is also elasticized, as well as the one on the flyleaf. So in the previous version, that is not 2.0, this pen loop is not elasticized, and I like that it's elasticized because I feel like it's going to hold the pen a lot more securely than one that's just all leather, and like the others are pretty big, and sometimes they don't hold the pen very well. You have to like clip the pen onto it. And there's another pocket here, a slip pocket, and then another secretarial pocket. And what I love so much about these planners is they also have a large section right here for you to put money in or receipts or whatever. I'm going to actually use this as my wallet, and I'm also going to have inserts in here for like shopping lists. So I've already printed out some, where did I put them? Oh, I had them right here, and now they are gone. That's fabulous. Oh, here they are. Sorry. So I also printed out some from, who did I get these from? Plan with B. So these are some of the freebies from Plan with B, and it's a shopping list, and I printed them double-sided. I have not hole punched them yet, but they're going to go in here. And then I also printed some dashboards from Kell-Ann Designs that I'm going to laminate and use in this planner as well. And these are again all from Kell-Ann Designs on Etsy. And the shopping list is from Plan with B. So yeah, so this is my new Moterm Pocket Luxe sized planner. I really just wanted to unbox it with you. Let's see, let's put the flyleaf in. Oh yeah, those open and shut nicely. And it does have 2 poppers so that you can open, so that you can really bulk up your planner if you want to. So this is what it looks like in the second one, and you have ample space to really chunk this thing up, like really get it chunky. Yeah, I love this. I'm so excited to start using it. And once I get it all set up, then I will film another video showing you how I set it up and what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I would like to incorporate more planning videos on my channel because I do love planning, and I am an avid planner. I feel like I'm not straight here. Okay. Sorry if the camera's shaking. This is my first time trying to film a video from this view, so it's kind of difficult for me. I'm still learning, so please be forgiving. Anyway, so I will see you in my next video. Please have a happy Mother's Day, and I'll talk to you later. If you do like this kind of content, I also do handbag reviews. That is primarily what my channel has always been about. Then please consider liking and subscribing, and I will talk to you later. Bye.